Hey everybody, it's Scott at Simcoe Spring Service, and if you're watching this video, it's probably because you broke a spring in the back of your Chevy or GMC 1500 pickup truck. So there's actually a repair kit that you can use instead of replacing the entire spring pack, and not only will it save you time, but it can actually save you money as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you exactly what's in the kit, we're going to show you where you can purchase it, and most of all, we're going to show you exactly how you can install it yourself. So here's the kit. Comes with the leaf, comes with the clips already riveted right to the steel. Comes with fresh plastic pads. It comes with clip bolts, anti-crush tubes, a center bolt to bolt the spring pack back together. And if you're interested in this kit, it's the 22-1567-2. And if you want U-bolts with it, you just add plus U-bolts behind it. And you can buy the kit online at www.simcoespring.com. So the vehicle we're working on today is a 2014, and it's got a broken leaf in the back, and I'll show you right now. It's actually like completely missing. It should be in there, but it's gone. There should be one right in the middle of the pack here, but it snapped off right there. So our goal today is to show you step by step on how we take it apart and how we put it back together again. All right, here we go. So first things first, before you take anything apart, you should stabilize the vehicle by putting wheel chocks front and back on the front tires and get your jack ready. And what we'll do is we'll jack it up a little bit. So we're going to take everything apart with a 21 mil wrench and a 21 mil socket. You take the shock off and just get it out of there so it doesn't bind up. And then we're going to disassemble the U-bolts. That one's a little sticky, so I'm going to put it back on. And that holds it so I can take these two off, break them free. Traps a lot of dirt. Okay, so there's the U-bolts. They don't look too bad. So I'm just going to take a wire wheel and I'm going to buff them up, and I'm just going to reuse them. Put a little WD-40 back on them when I put them on. So now that the U-bolts are off, this is free. So now I can jack it up. There you go. You just want to jack it up enough so you can get the block out. So now what I have to do is I have to cut the center bolt and get it out of there. But I also have to cut the front clip up front here. And I'm just going to use the torch because that's my weapon of choice. Okay, so we can actually cut into this leaf, but we don't want to cut into the top one because we want to save it. So we'll make our cut right there. All right, so there you go, it's cut off. So now I'm going to circle around and I'm going to cut the center bolt, and then it'll drop down. You don't want the hot stuff falling on you. So we're going to take the spring out, so we can just unhook it here, like that, and it'll come right out. And we're going to come over here, we're going to take it apart. Make sure you save these, we're going to reuse them. This piece is garbage. just going to take and scrape all this clean. We don't want any rust in there. And we'll scrape the back. There you go. We grab our new center bolt. It comes in the kit. We'll put that up and through. Then we're going to grab our new leaf. All right, and now we're going to go put it back in. So now I'm going to grab this and I'm going to slide it in sideways, flip it up, and install it. So now this plate here is going to go on top, and then we'll put the new nut on. But it's not sticking through, so I'm going to let the vehicle down a little bit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 9/16 socket and I'm going to tighten the nut. Make sure everything's nice and straight. Before you fully tighten it, just make sure all your plates are straight. I'm going to tap them around a little bit. And then we do a final tighten. It doesn't need to be tightened too tightly, like 55 foot-pounds to maybe 90 foot-pounds at the very most. It's a small bolt, so don't over tighten it. Get my block in and set it back down again. That probably won't line up, so I'll probably have to do that. Okay, so next thing we'll do is we're gonna clean up these U-bolts, and we're gonna squeeze them in a little bit because they won't fit. They won't fit back in the plate. So we'll clean them, squeeze them, give them a little lubrication, and get ready to throw them back in. Put the U-bolts back on. And now it should just drop right in. Just like that. So once again, with my 21 mil wrench and socket, I'm gonna re-tighten everything. So you need to make sure that you get them all about the same even length, and then what we'll do is we'll take our air gun and we'll give it a final tighten. Push them through, make sure you got your spacer sleeve in there. It's an anti-crush sleeve, so you can only tighten it so far in and it won't cave the clip in. And you just take like a little ratchet tell you once more. So there we go. That's how we install a clip leaf in a 1999 to 2022 Chevy 1500 pickup truck. If you do want to buy this kit, we sell it on our store. Just go to simcospring.com. Now, if you don't feel like you can install it yourself, feel free to purchase it and have your local mechanic install it. The kits are simple enough, and you can just show them this video. All right, have a good day, and I'll see you next time.